Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI GE75. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MSI GE75 won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue may arise due to several reasons, such as a drained battery, a faulty power adapter, or internal hardware problems. If left unresolved, it could lead to further damage, potentially making repairs more complex and costly. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to components. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully opening the back cover of the MSI GE75. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry around the edges, taking care not to damage the casing. Once opened, check the battery connections to ensure they are secure. If the battery appears swollen or damaged, it will need to be replaced. To locate the power supply connection, follow the cables leading from the charging port to the motherboard. If you find any loose connections, gently reattach them. When removing screws, always remember their locations, as they may vary in size. Apply minimal force when unscrewing, and ensure you have a soft surface to work on. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing any faulty components, carefully reassemble the device by reversing the steps taken during disassembly. Ensure that all screws are securely fastened and that no components are left loose inside. Once closed, plug in the power adapter and attempt to turn on the laptop. If it powers up, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your MSI GE75. To prevent this issue from happening again, regularly check your device for updates and ensure your battery is in good condition. Avoid using the laptop on soft surfaces that can block ventilation, and keep it clean from dust accumulation. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.